Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this video that I shared the skyline of New York City, and then I showed how to correct it because this building right here particularly looked like a Coke bottle. So you don't have to use that file, but you could take it away and it doesn't make it look like New York City. So I've drawn one right here, and I just added buildings to an existing clip art that I found off the internet. I did what we did earlier. I wiped the left away. So I thought I'd show how I built this taller building. I was just playing while that other video was loading. I'm gonna get my shape tool. I'm gonna get rid of all these nodes. I'm gonna grab those two. I'm gonna right click and turn them into a line. Now I'm gonna take my rectangle tool. I'm actually gonna make a square. Makes it a little bit easier. And I'm going to move this. Well, we can leave the square. We'll move it up a little bit. Control D and make a duplicate and move it up and reduce it by 80%. Control D. Now, a lot of times it's going to get, the next Control D is going to put it past the line. But since I didn't Control D fast enough, and let's make this 50%. And that's really good. Then take all that and weld it, and then move your building wherever you want it to be in the skyline. And you can change this. You can make it narrower. You can make it stubbier. But a building this size is going to have an antenna on it. So we're going to select those two nodes and go right here to add nodes. Now it's adding nodes on the side, but it doesn't really matter. Those can be deleted. And there's a way around that too, but you need to find out which direction is going. So let's select all these nodes and let's make sure they're lines, which they are. If it's grayed out, that means it's a line. So now let's take two of these nodes and just lift them up. Make a pretty tall antenna. Then take these two nodes and align them vertically. See what that did? Making our antenna perfect. Now you don't have to be that thick, so you can select them all, hold down your control button and bring it over. You can put it wherever you want on the building. Then just take your virtual segment delete key and delete that part. And then take your Smart Fill tool as always, and voila, you have a new building, a new skyline. Left click, right click, and all the nodes are welded. Pretty cool. I need to adjust these two. Align vertically. And it just makes it a little more simple. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching.